Hello students, I am Ms. Misra, math teacher of LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, as you know, in the previous video, I have already discussed about the probability. Dear students, you know about the probability. In the previous topic, I have already discussed about the probability, and many questions depend on the probability in daily life. But today I will also discuss about the question which is used in the daily life and how to solve these questions of probability. So first of all, question is question number one, a bag. Question number one is question number one, a bag contains four blue, four red, six yellow, and 10 white marbles, and 10 white marbles. 10 white marbles. What is the probability? What is the probability? What is the probability of drawing the following? Drawing the following. Which of these is a certain event? Which of these is a certain event? Is a certain event. First is a blue marble. A blue marbles. Now, dear students, I already know that I have already told you formula for finding probability. Formula for finding probability of event A equal formula for finding a probability of event A equal probability of event A equal number of event A can occurs upon total number of possible outcomes. Dear students, first of all, finding probability of blue marbles. First of all, we find out number of event A can occurs. After this, we have to find out total number of possible outcomes. So, for processing of this question, first of all, we find number of event A can occur. First of all, we find number of event A can occur or total number of possible outcomes. So, first of all, I will find total number of possible outcomes. In the given question, total number of possible outcomes. Total number of possible outcomes. What is the total number of possible outcomes in this question? Here in this question, total number of possible outcomes will be 4 plus 4 plus 6 plus 10. 4 plus 4 plus 6 plus 10 equal, here number of blue marble is 4. Here is the 4 blue marble. 4 is red marble. 6 is yellow marble. And 10 is white marble. 10 is white marble. Then sum of these marbles will total number of possible outcomes. So, total number of possible outcomes will be sum of all these marbles. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 10 24. Therefore, total number of possible outcomes will be 24. Now, here we have to find out a blue marbles. So, number of event A can occur will be number of blue marble. Here number of blue marble is 4. Therefore, probability of a blue marble will be equal to the number of event A can occur. Here number of event A can occur will be 4. Will be 4 upon total number of possible outcome. We find 24. Therefore 4 upon 24. Here in the table of 4, 4 1 is 4 and 4 6 is 24. Therefore it will 4 1 is 4 and 4 6 is 24. Therefore it will be 1 by 4. Sorry, 4 6 is 24. 4 6 is 24. Therefore, finding the probability of blue marble will be 1 by 6. Now, next part of this question, we have to find out probability of a yellow marble. Second part is finding probability of a yellow marble. A yellow marbles. Solution. Here in the given question, number of event A can occur will be 6 because we have to find out probability of yellow marble. Therefore, number of event can occur will be 6 because number of yellow marble is 6. Therefore, probability of a yellow marble yellow marbles equal number of event is 6. Therefore 6 upon total number of possible outcome. Total number of possible outcome will be 24. Therefore we divide 6 1 ja 6, 6 to 4 ja 24 equal 1 by 4. Therefore probability of yellow marble will be 1 by 4. Now next part is third part. In the third part we have to find out a red marble. Solution. Now first of all we find out number of event. Number of event will be number of red marbles. Here number of red marbles is 4, and total number of possible upon total number of possible outcome. Total number of possible outcome will be 24. Therefore probability of red marbles equal number of event एक का नाकर equal number of red marble. Here number of red marbles is 4. Therefore it will be 4 upon total number of possible outcome. Total number of possible outcome will be 24. Therefore 4 1 ja 4, 4 6 ja 24. Therefore it will be 1 by 6. This is the solution of part third. Now next question. Next question is white marbles. Fourth part is a white marbles. Solution. In the given question we have to find out a white marbles. We know finding probability of event A equal number of event A का नाकर upon total number of possible outcomes. So in these questions number of events will be number of white marbles. Here number of white marbles is 10, and number of total possible outcome. Total number of possible outcome will be 24. Therefore probability of a white marbles equal number of event A का नाकर. Here number of event A का नाकर will be 10. Therefore it will be 10 upon total number of possible outcome will be 24. Therefore it will be 10 upon 24. We know 10 is divided by 2 and 24 is also divided by 2. Therefore 2 5 ja 10 and 12 2 ja 24. Therefore probability of a white marbles will be 5 upon 12. Now next question. Next question you can done this process very easily. I hope that we can do this type of question very easily by this process. And another question is also this type of question, and you can try this type of question very easily. Be positive and you can do this type of question very easily. Next video I will solve another type of question. Bye.